Cash religious.
Dead faces in my pocket, nigga. All I ever had was a rocket, nigga. Domestic glass pot up on the stove. Cook it up with baking soda, let it roll. Nobody gave me nothing, had to hustle my own. Everybody know how they call my phone. We speaking codes now, nigga, ain't no time for that. Try to send me back to the
Hey, what's going on? This your only host, BZ995 WCE Radio. Up next, man, we got excuse me. Up next, we got Billionaire Black with Beni, Hibachi. With Beni, Hibachi. That man ain't the best reader, but hey, tell me out in the comment section, man. Anyway, man, we got Billionaire Black again. With Beni, Hibachi. I reacted to Billionaire Black. What was that? Light show. That's what it was, a light show. And dope track. Good feedback. Crazy. People love him. You know, Chi-Town representative again. But you know, this time around he got that Beni Hibachi. Yeah, man, let's go ahead. Let's get it. Let's get to it.
That boy take beats cutting up.
Record J-Lo.
That knock again, man. Oh, man.
Love that bunch truck.
Woke up, sleepwalking, I just threw the Roxy up. What up, bitch, we in Cali, posted at the Hibachi truck. Bitches watching Keisha in this motherfucking coffee cup. White chalk, a nigga better watch how you talk to us. Bitch, we ain't then move, take this check and walk it up. She wanna fuck a scammer, eat this dick and let me boss you up. You thinking that you game, but you a stain, nigga thought it was. Bro, just in my line, we throwing a party cause he caught a one. Bro, just did a mood a couple days and still ain't pop on. I'm shaking in my sleep because these demons all in my thoughts. Double cross a nigga, please don't trust me, call me hot sauce. I pull up to your house like a motherfucking alcohol. Oh shit, see this glizzy knock your top off. Ooh, scamming nigga, I can't use an app on my phone. Look, walk in the bank, they know my name, honey, I'm home. Look, I bust the SBA, I pray the Lord it pop on. Look, shit, instant racks nigga. They call me Babberton, but don't bap in my raps nigga. It's a Glock up in this striker, this a scat nigga. Brody, get up off the floor, do you like cap, nigga? Woke up, sleepwalking, I just threw the Roxy up. What up, bitch, we in Cali, posted at the Hibachi truck. Bitches watching Keisha in this motherfucking coffee cup. White chalk, a nigga better watch how you talk to us. Bitch, we ain't then move, take this check and walk it up. She wanna fuck a scammer, eat this dick and let me boss you up. You thinking that you game, but you a stain, nigga thought it was. Bro, just in my line, we throwing a party cause he caught a one. You can die with your gun, just like Nooski, bitch. I'ma go out like Big Cloud, no cap, I'm shooting shit, bitch. Ooh, niggas talking like they bout it, bitch, I'm too legit. Look, ain't doing no bap up on the net, let's let the toolie spit. Look, you get clapped up off your bike just like white. Ooh, Palm Angels cost your rent, bitch, this ain't off-white. Look, I made 10 bucks in a rack, that was my off night. And I ain't friendly when you approach me, better talk right. Ooh, shit, I'm on some other shit. Ran up a honey bun off the government. Look, I got two twin glizzies, these ain't double mixed. Never trust a bitch, you run up, let that cut spit. Woke up, sleepwalking, I just threw the Roxy up. What up, bitch, we in Cali, posted at the Hibachi truck. Bitches watching Keisha in this motherfucking coffee cup. White chalk, a nigga better watch how you talk to us. Bitch, we ain't then move, take this check and walk it up. She wanna fuck a scammer, eat this dick and let me boss you up. You thinking that you game, but you a stain, nigga thought it was. Bro, just in my line, we throwing a party cause he caught a one.
This is dope. Billionaire Black, man. Hey, let me ask y'all something in the comment section, man, because I know you got fans because y'all reacted to the last reaction. Hey, man, do you always hit that? Let me know, man. He must have been one of them goons from the rack, man, that'll pull up with the Draco and dance as he's shooting at your ass. Like, and for real, excuse me. All jokes aside, though, man, dope track again, man. I'm not disappointed. In the comment section, please put me on some more Billionaire Black. Let me know. Okay, Billionaire, you know, I know in Chicago they got the GD, they got the BD, they got all that, you know what I'm saying? What side do Billionaire Black land on? Like, for real. Like, I want to know. Like, because I can tell I know he was close to Duck, but it's like, you know, people be close to Duck and they be other, you know what I'm saying? Like, they be close to Duck and they be, you feel me? So, did he land in that little circle with the FBG clique, or was he just from somewhere else and they was just cool, you feel me? Because I remember seeing Black probably like once or twice when I went to Chicago and I finally met Duck. I met Duck when he was skinny, and I met Ruger. Ruger didn't talk at all, so it's not like I'm just a stranger. I'm a stranger to their music. Like, for real, I'm a stranger to their music. When I say these two individuals, Black and Ruger, didn't talk, they didn't. Telling you, and if Black was rapping, I didn't hear nothing from. So it's like it was only Duck going in, and then Bigger was doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? But most of all, the all-star of the clique was Duck. You feel me? Ruger didn't talk at all, so y'all know what that mean. We from the hood, so we know what that mean. When the one don't talk, you barely hear him breathe, but he there and he alive. But he behind his homies and he watching your stranger ass. Yeah, he was one of them. So, you know what I'm saying? I give credit when credit's due, though. So he is hard. But Billionaire Black, I want to know, like, what side did he land on? Was he with the FBGs? Where was he at? What section? Everybody know. You know what I'm saying? Until then, y'all already know how this go. Your only host, BZ995. Billionaire Black with Beni, Hibachi. Yeah, on WC Radio. Peace.
Cash religious. Dead faces in my pocket, nigga. All I ever had was a rocket, nigga. Domestic glass pot up on the stove. Cook it up with baking soda, let it roll. Nobody gave me nothing, had to hustle my own. Everybody know how they call my phone. We speaking codes now, nigga, ain't no time for that. Try to send me back to the cage jack. Well, I ain't trying to hear none of that fuck shit. I gotta get this money.